Hey, so in this video, I'll show you how to summarize meeting notes in bulk using AI inside Google Sheets without using any third-party tools. So as you can see that I have a bunch of meeting notes. For example, meeting title, date, attendees, raw meeting notes, action items, and then I have created prompts based on that. So you can see that I have around 6 rows: website design, April 29, 2025, and then these are the attendees, a homepage, messy layout, blog needs visual rephrase, and these are the notes, raw notes, and I want to summarize it, and these are the action items. So as you can see that this is my prompt, and I'll be giving this prompt to AI, and in return AI will generate output in this field, in this column. So let me show you the prompt first. It's a, it's a very detailed prompt, and yeah, you are an expert meeting assistant. Summarize the following raw meeting notes into a clean professional summary. Write a brief paragraph summarizing the main discussion points in a neutral tone. Then list the action items clearly under a heading action items, each starting with a bullet point. Maintain a formal but easy to read style. Fix any grammar or shorthand issues found in the raw notes. Do not invent new information, only use the details provided in the notes. Meeting title, I am passing the meeting title from here, which is A2, and then the date, which is B2, attendees, raw meeting notes, and so on, as you can see. So I think action items are not being provided, right? So let me improve the prompt a bit. I'll write action items here. Yeah. And now you can see that the action items are passed here in the prompt, and I can just drag it down, and then it will generate unique prompts for all these rows that we have. So yes, as you can see that this is specific for the row, and it's ready, and I already have the app script here pasted here, and everything is set up. So I'll not go into that. This is a script. This is a very long, I think 300 400 lines of script. And yeah, let's go to the settings sheet now, and you can see that you can use any model that you want. Like I have OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Grok, DeepSeek, and so on. In this case, I'm using OpenAI model. So you can see that I have already the API key pasted here. Then I have temperature set as 0.7, which is generally balanced. Then the max tokens, system prompt, and so on. Then you'll have to come down here. Let me make it notes, because this is the sheet name, notes. So I'll have to write the data sheet name here, and I'll be using OpenAI, so which is selected from the drop down, and I'll be using the GPT 4.1 model, which is from here, and start row. So in this case, I'm starting from the row number 2 and then process till row number 6. So I'll delete it, and then 6, then prompt columns and output columns. So my prompt is in the column F, and I want the output in the column G, which is correctly written already. And then if I want to process this, I'll have to check it. So everything is ready. And then I can come here and then click on this generate and then process sheets button, and the script will start running. So you should see the output here. Yes, as you can see that these are the outputs, and yeah, it will quickly generate for all, and then script will stop. So this is how it works. And yeah, you can see that the team confirmed the product launch date as July 15, which is coming from July 15, right? Yes, okay. Which is coming from here, the July 15. And action items, Emily to lead final testing and resolve any remaining bugs, which must be coming from here. Yes, Emily led lead final testing. Okay. So everything is like works properly. And if you don't like an output, for example, I didn't like this one, so I can rerun the script, and it will only generate the output for this cell. Others will be unaffected. It only works when the output fields are empty. For example, if I delete it, then only it will work. Yes. And if I rerun it, because there are no empty fields, the script will automatically be completed immediately. You can see that running script, finished script, right? So yes, this is how it works. And if like let me delete these two outputs, and this time I want to use the Claude model, which is I have already API here. I can scroll down and then select Claude, and then let me select Claude. Yes. So this is the Claude model. Like I can select 3.7 Sonnet or 3.5 Sonnet or any other model that you see here. Let me select 3.7 Sonnet latest. And now when I click on this generate button, the outputs that you will see will come from the Claude model. Yes, you can see that. Yes. For example, in this case, you are seeing that it's adding some additional formatting to this. So you can just mention in the prompt that do not add any additional formatting and provide the output in plain text format, something like that, and it will work. I'll add the link to this script in the description below. You can get it from there, and then you will receive a detailed documentation of how to set up and how to use, and then you can start from there. So that's it for the video, and then see you in the next video.